Hey guys, so today I am super excited to bring you this review. These products are super affordable, they are easily accessible, and I have been really liking them lately. So today we are going to be talking about Hairitage by Mindy McKnight. I think water just flew out of that. For those of you who don't know, Mindy is the creator of Cute Girls Hairstyles, the giant YouTube channel. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. So she came out with these products, and I do have 4 of them here today to show you guys. I have, I think, another 3 products that I am currently testing. All of these products are under $10. I believe the entire line follows suit. The 4 products that I have here are $7.94 each, and they are all available at Walmart or walmart.com. The whole line has a naturally derived signature scent, and for the life of me, I cannot figure out what the hell it smells like. It's not a bad scent. It's actually nice. It's very pleasant. It's light. It's not anything too heavy or like if you are sensitive to scent, I don't think this is necessarily going to be something that bothers you. I want to say it's maybe like rose. So first, let's talk about the Out of My Hair Gentle Daily Shampoo. If I'm looking down, I literally made an entire spreadsheet of notes because I am reviewing so many products at the same time and just needed something to like keep my brain in check. The claim on this product is that there is a unique blend of potent ingredients that cleanses hair of impurities and excess oils without stripping it. This shampoo is ultra mild, moisture rich, and perfectly safe for everyday use. It is sulfate free, phthalate free, paraben free, gluten free, and mineral oil free. It's also color safe, cruelty free, and it is vegan. Now, these little claims are going to change on each bottle. So depending on the product, it may or may not be CGM approved. We have the list of the free ofs on the front of the shampoo, but I did put the ingredients of this into Curlspot, and if you guys have never used that before, it is really convenient. So if you're ever shopping in a store and let's say you do follow the CGM method to a T, you can just Google the ingredients of the product that you're looking at, paste it into the Curlspot generator, and then it will tell you basically if the product is CG friendly or not. So the ingredient that this contains, I'm not going to bore you, I'll just put it at the bottom of the screen if you guys are curious, but it's basically saying that this may be okay in small doses, but not everyone thinks that this product is CG friendly. So if you are someone who sticks to the curly girl method, exactly, just keep that in mind. As far as the texture goes, this is slightly on the thicker side of a shampoo. I do agree that it is moisturizing, but it's definitely not the most moisturizing shampoo that I've used, which is good. I don't like anything that's going to give me too much moisture, but I did like that this was very smooth, and the fact that I felt like I could almost detangle my hair with it. So I did like that about it. I found that it did cleanse my hair nicely. It doesn't dry it out, doesn't strip it, and it's pretty easy to distribute through the hair. Some shampoos kind of get like stuck in a clump and you have to constantly keep adding water and like really working it through the scalp. This is pretty easy to use, it's fast, and it gets the job done. I think if you are someone who likes more of a traditional shampoo as opposed to like a no poo or a low poo, you'll really like this. It is, I don't want to say basic, but it kind of is in a way. Like nothing stands out so much that I'm like, oh my god, I have to buy this. But I think if I ran out of this, I would repurchase just because it is a good basic shampoo to have. Let's go ahead and talk about the conditioner. So I have here the SOS Deep Moisture and Restore Conditioner. I do want to mention that this line is actually pretty extensive. So there are a few different shampoos, conditioners, there's a hair mask. So this is not the only shampoo and conditioner that this line has. So again, on the front of the packaging here, we have the free of list. So this one is free of SLS and SLES, phthalates, parabens, gluten, mineral oil. It's also color safe, cruelty free, and vegan. This product is not Curly Girl approved because it does contain dimethicone, which is a silicone. So on the back here, it says that SOS is a deeply penetrating conditioner for thick, curly, or coily hair that provides intense hydration, volume, and rejuvenation for those weak and damaged strands your thirsty hair will thank you. So when I pumped this out, it was a lot thinner than I expected it to be, and it almost felt like a pudding consistency. So relatively thinner than other conditioners that I would generally gravitate towards. I do really love how this leaves my hair, and I feel like a lot of people are going to say, well, it's obviously the silicones in it, but there's something about this. It doesn't seem like it's sitting on top of your hair, which is what a traditional like silicone product will do. It actually feels like your hair is getting moisturized like from the inside out, which I really love. I mean, I don't know if that's actually what is happening, but I know that my hair is incredibly soft and shiny and manageable without being weighed down when I use this. So I am actually a really big fan of this. My thinking is that if you do have hair that needs like a lot of hydration, I don't know if this will necessarily scratch that itch, but you can give it a shot. I do make a hair mask though, if you're not someone who generally likes to use like a daily conditioner. I remember when I was transitioning from my hair being very unhealthy, because I would wash my hair so infrequently, just every time I showered, I would pretty much just use a hair mask. Okay, now let's move on to the Strength Training Leave-In Conditioner Pudding. I know I said that the texture of the conditioner was more like a pudding. This is actually thicker than the conditioner. This is more like a custard to me, almost like a pudding slash custard. This is not curly girl friendly. It does contain dimethicone. And this product claims perfectly formulated for thick, curly, or coily hair. This rejuvenating leave-in restores, softens, and detangles your overworked tresses while controlling frizz so you are left with the mane you can sport proudly. So for me, what I notice that it does is it really helps with frizz. It smooths my hair. It does make it really manageable, and it adds a nice bit of hydration. It's nothing that's too heavy. I definitely thought it was going to be a lot heavier than it was because of the consistency. Also really like this because I can use it on days where I want to stretch my curls, or I can use it on days where I'm wearing my hair curly. So on curly days, I'll apply this as like, you know, my moisturizing product and then top it with one of the other ones we'll be talking about in a second. Or on days where I just want to stretch my curls, I'll like throw a little bit of this in my hair and then, you know, put my hair up while it's drying overnight. If your hair is really, really fine, I think that you may be better served checking out the, I think it's called Light as a Feather leave-in conditioner. So it's a leave-in conditioner, but just a lot lighter than this one. But if you have thicker hair, like curlier and more coarse than mine, I think this will make a good layering product for you. And then last but not least, we have, I think this is probably the superstar of this whole review, and this is To The Max Maximum Hold Styling Gel. Now this is the only one of the products that is CG friendly. All right, let's read the back here. This Fierce Styling Gel is the perfect match for structured looks with a long-lasting hold, eliminate frizz, flakes, and tack while maximizing your hairstyle. This is an extremely thick gel. Like, it feels like it doesn't even, it's like barely even moving when I shake it in the bottle. Like, it is thick. When I use this on my hair, my curls will last for days. My curls easily make it to day 3 with like very, very minimal refreshing. Even before I refresh, like the curls like towards like I would say like here down, up here, like I wear my hair up a lot at night so like my roots can get flat, but the ends of my hair, wow, like the curl is incredible. And then obviously as you wear your style throughout the day, like it holds the curls super well. It is not drying, it is not flaky, it is not like crunchy. It gives your hair a lot of moisture. Your hair looks shiny and soft, and I just can't say enough good things about this. I think this is a really incredible gel. Maybe if you're looking for a replacement for the Deep Curl Archangel gel, this may fit the bill for you because that gel is very thick and it's hydrating. This is even thicker, but I feel like I like how my hair looks better using this. So those are all of the products that I have today to talk about. My final thoughts as far as the products go, I think that this line, from what I've seen so far and like other products that I've been using, I think that this is a really nice hairline. I would say that there are like no frills really. It's kind of like basic everyday products, and I think it is great because you have an affordable price point, you have accessibility. I really like the way that the products make my hair look and feel. I really am looking forward to trying even more products from the line. There are quite a few products to choose from. Another video that I'm working on that's going to be out very soon is a Diva Curl alternative product video. I've been getting so many DMs about you know, people who have been using Diva Curl previously and they don't know what products to use anymore. So I have been vigorously like scouring my cabinets and drawers to find products that I think are dupeable or give similar results and or are just good alternatives. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on that. I also have more Hairitage by Mindy reviews coming. As always, feel free to leave any video requests down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your constant support, and I hope you have an amazing week, a wonderful rest of your day. That was backwards. Who cares? And I will see you guys next time.